So I asked y'all a few weeks ago to help me decide what black barrel satchel I wanted to purchase, and the options were the Coach Ruby 25, the Dooney& Micro Satchel in black, or the Dress Up Your Purse. And you guys voted, and I made a decision. So if you want to see what I decided, just keep watching. Hey, I'm Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we're all about looking and feeling our best for less. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever I upload new videos. But before we get into this unboxing, I wanted to remind you guys that my new ebook is now available. It's called 5 Tips of Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. It's a quick, easy read designed to help you shop with confidence, save money, and avoid getting scammed. It's free and it's available now. It is pinned in the comments. It is also in my description and my bio. So guys, let's get into it. I have been saying for the last 2 years that I needed a really nice black barrel bag with gold hardware, and I missed out on the Ruby 25. Even when they brought it back to the outlet and went on sale, I missed out on it then. And so I was trying to think about whether I even wanted the Ruby 25. So I asked you guys to help me decide, and the majority of you picked the Ruby 25. So let's see what I got. But the first thing I want to do is get into this SLG. So when I purchased my bag, I wanted to have a wallet and some other pieces to go with it. And of course, the wallet that I wanted is no longer available on the website. Well, let me take that back. It's available, but it's just not available right now. So I had to get it off eBay. So it's in this box. I've already kind of opened it up. I haven't opened up the wallet, but I opened up the box just to get a peek. So once you guys see the SLG, then you will know what bag I purchased. So here it is. So this came wrapped really nicely. And as you can see, I got a sticker, which I never get stickers when I order from Dooney. So this is just crazy that I was able to get a sticker with something that I got from a seller on eBay. But it comes in this box. It has all the paper. And so what I ordered was the small zip around wallet in the black Florentine leather. So as you can see, this wallet is leather on the inside. It has 8 card slots. And then the back wall is the bill. So this part where the bills go is the Dooney, the red fabric. And then let's see here. There's a pocket right here on the front behind the logo. And then there's also a zipper on the back. Very nice wallet from Dooney&Bourke. And I just wanted one in the black Florentine leather since I decided to go with the black micro satchel from Dooney. I don't know why I asked y'all, because I'm going to do what I want to do anyway. And I think I had already kind of had my mind made up on what I was going to get. So I think I was just asking y'all to see what y'all was going to say. But let's get into this box. So guys, I've been wanting the micro satchel in Florentine leather for a while. Like I said earlier, I've been wanting this satchel in black for a couple of years, and I've gone back and forth again because I really do like the Ruby satchel, and I know that the version from Dress Up Your Purse is an even more cost-effective alternative. But I'm just in love with the Dooney&Bourke Florentine micro satchel. I think I like it better than the Ruby 25, even though I don't own a Ruby 25 and have never carried one. Just the look of the bag, for me, aesthetically, I like the micro from Dooney better. So here she is. She's wrapped up all the way with everything. Wow. Okay. So I got another sticker. So this is crazy, guys. I got 2 stickers. I never get stickers from Dooney. And I ordered a bag and got a sticker from them and then got a sticker from my eBay seller. So this is just my lucky day. So the first one is like a farmer sticker. So he has a basket of apples. And then the next one is the golf duck. So he's got the golf ball and the golf club. Really cute. So let's get into this bag, y'all. I'm really hoping that this bag is a smooth one. I would be lying if I said I wouldn't be disappointed if it's not smooth. And from what I can see, it's not like completely smooth. Let's see. Let's just get a good look at this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this one is textured. Look at this. It almost looks pebbled. So the sides are smooth, like super smooth, but the rest of the bag is kind of it's kind of textured. So let's get the wrapping off because I'm not gonna send it back either way. I just wish I would have gotten a smooth one. My natural micro statue in Florentine is not smooth. And I was okay with that just because it was natural. But the one that I have in plum that I haven't worn yet is super smooth. All of my other Florentine pieces are smooth. And I prefer smooth Florentine. Like if I wanted pebbled leather, I would buy pebbled leather. So I'm kind of bummed. Let's just get in here. Let's just see. The other thing that I'm a little confused about is this is black, black. It's supposed to be black, black, but the whip stitch on here it still looks like brown tomorrow. And I thought on black, black, the whip stitching was black. If y'all are familiar, I don't have anything else in black, black from Dooney. So let me know what y'all think. If black, black, if the whip stitch is supposed to be brown tomorrow, or is this right? So if we get a closer look at this, you guys can see what I'm talking about in terms of the texture. It is pebbled, um, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Let's see here. This is 12 of 25. And this particular satchel was produced in August of this year. So this batch was produced in August of this year, and this is 12 of 25. So this is it. This is what I've been waiting on. Let's just get all of the paper and stuff off so we can get a really good look at this bag. So I'm sure all of y'all are familiar with Dooney and Florentine leather, but you see it's got your green suede here up top, the dust bag, and this bag is stuff. And the inside of the micro satchel is just like the other size satchels, is just smaller. So you got the zip and slip on the back pocket, and then just the back wall, and then just the regular slip pocket on the front wall. I've already shown you it's got 4 feet on the bottom. You got your tassels on the side. And I love this hardware. Like the gold hardware on this is just so gorgeous to me. It's not like a shiny, bright yellow gold. It's more like a muted, matte, brassy type kind of gold. I love it. I just think it's beautiful. And the more that I look at this bag, I'm not even mad that it's not super smooth. This is gorgeous, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Just beautiful. This is such a gorgeous bag. Despite the color, just look at the detail on this bag. Like there's a reason this is one of Dooney's most popular silhouettes, especially in this Florentine leather. This is just amazing. I love this bag already and I haven't even moved into it. So, besides the fact that I prefer this silhouette over the Coach Ruby, the other reason that swayed me towards the Dooney is that this was actually on sale. So y'all know Dooney is always running sales, but this particular bag when I got it was like 30 or 40% off. So y'all know how much these Florentine satchels cost. Even the micro can be, over $400 when it's not on sale. And I think I paid two something for this. So there was no way that I was gonna not get this when I've been eyeing this bag and this color for years and never pulled the trigger. So this is it, guys. I just wanted to come on here real quick and show you what I decided to get. So I finally got my black barrel satchel with gold hardware. Let me know down below what you think about my choice. Thank you so much again for watching. And don't forget, if you're going to buy it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Take care of yourselves. Bye.